What's happening, YouTube? It's back with your boy Meech from another video. Today we working on the Q. Matter of fact, we got my heat exchanger. Here, my black grill here. Fully finally at last. But we're gonna be putting the grill on today. I just seen a video. I just saw a video not too long ago of a guy putting the grill on without pulling the whole front bumper off. So we got this corner done. We got this corner done, and it's basically pop those two bolts out, pop the clips, take your little intake off the vent, whatever that's called, and I'm about to start pop off the screw that holds it in here. Pop one of that off, pop the other one out. I got to turn the wheel to get more space because I don't want to take the wheel off. I pop those off. I'm about to pop the bolts under here to, I guess, slide it off. I don't know, this is probably gonna take it completely off, but whichever works. I'm gonna do all that. I'm gonna get back to y'all when I'm done with all that. See the rest of the process. I bet. I just finished removing all the screws from the under part of the front bumper. I basically got enough room to pull this up. I got a bolt right there to swap. Pull this out. Get the bottom 10 millimeter. Let's see. Bottom 10 right here. Top 10. These two right here. And that one over there. Oh, there's some at the bottom too. So I'm gonna grab those ones at the bottom, and then I'm gonna pull this out, and I'm gonna get back to y'all. Low-key Lil Wendy. As y'all can see from that footage, hopefully everything worked perfectly. I got it on, man. It wasn't too bad. I had to pull the back off because one of the little screws came out the back of the grill, so I had to pop it back off and do all that. I got it on. It looked good. It looked really good. I just need to get the rest of the accents and everything, crown deleted and everything. But yeah, once I get that, this whole thing gonna be crazy. I had to pop the other emblem and put it here until I get the light up one. Once I get the light up one, we cool. I know how to take the front bumper off now, so that's packed. So yeah, I'm about to put the car back together, and yeah, basically the same process you did to take it off. Put this back in under here. You put your screws and the clips back along here. Your rod and shit, jump for your intake. Yeah, I'm gonna get back with y'all when I'm done with that. Yo, yeah, we got it. I had to get the light up, bro. What's good, YouTube? It's actually like a day since I put the camera down. But yeah, we back. Not really. I was supposed to get a whole bunch of stuff done. I was supposed to get my heat exchanger, more coolant, and other things done. We were supposed to get all those done yesterday or today. Neither of that was done. I'm about to do, I already started. Got the car jacked up and everything. Yeah, I'm doing my oil change right now. About to finish that up. Change it with some new stuff. We going oil purple, 5E30. Do your homework. Run this if you run in the Q50 and you plan on pushing power. K&N filter. I was told to go to GTI, but my other man said stick with this. Just go to K&N OE filter. So we're gonna do that. Ooh. I think it's done drilling. So I'm about to put the filter in, and yeah, I'm put the filter in, and then I'm gonna get back to y'all. All right, yeah, I'm back. So I drained it and everything. I filled it back up. Like I said, we got a 5E30. Yeah, we're going oil purple. It takes 5 1/8 quarts of oil. I got 6. I ain't gonna put the whole 6. I'm gonna probably put like a quarter in, let it run, check it, and add more when I needed to. Yeah, I'm probably gonna put a little time lapse up. I need doing this, checking in without it running. Yeah, in 1 second. Bam, we done checked it and everything. Everything was good.